Howdy. 6 hours ago, 2.00 kilometers in depth. That was always. Ähteri, kuusiokannut, kunnat, kannut. Anyway, there is the only place where we have pandas in Finland. And I don't know if they are bored or not, but anyway. There has been an earthquake in Texas. A big one. 11 minutes ago, 5.1, 1 kilometer under epicenter, 5 kilometers in depth. User reports? Do we have any? I don't know. 11 minutes ago, maybe we don't have any yet. Bed and ceiling fan moved for almost 5 seconds. So there are many people living there. Also, YouTube video making people. Malaga, New Mexico. Something is going on in America. I don't know, there might be some fracking oil drilling stuff going on. And I would expect hearing something from Dutch since today later on. And many others will report on this. I won't talk too much about this because it's not my. How to put it? I focus more on Europe. Azores, still going on. Earthquakes warm in the sea, but also here. 10 hours ago. 1 hour ago. So it's still ongoing. Really interesting. Europe. A deeper quake. That's interesting. Turin in the city. 13 hours ago. So it happened in the night or in the morning here. Jamuni? Zermatt? Anyway, I wanted to show you something completely different. I was about to talk about weather. 13 hours ago, 2.7, 39 reports on that. And in Spain, we have more than 5 magnitude quakes, and no one is reporting on them. Really strange. 20 hours ago, Svalbard. But weather. So we have this kind of Balticane here going on over Scandinavia. Furthermore, we have this coming down from the north, and it's cold. It is one of those diachotron instabilities of our polar Birkeland current, which connects us to the sun. Now I put the wrong one. I was supposed to. No, actually, we could watch this nonetheless. So this means snow, where we have these dots. That's snow. So this means we have freezing degrees. Many people know that in the summertime, Siberia can get really, really, really hot. But this year, 2022, we have snow. Now, it might get really hot still later on, but now, 1st of June, basically summer, we have snow in Siberia. Really interesting. Really, really interesting. And I tried to watch on Null School, but it wasn't that well visible. But we could freeze it here because if we go too much into the future, it just gets more and more inaccurate, the whole thing. So now let's start again. This is temperature. 7 degrees, and the blue one is about 0. Just for simplification. There is really much cold air plunging down from the north. And if you compare this region with this region, it's at least as big as Europe, if not bigger, because it continues up here. And I really think this has something to do with our shifting North Pole, magnetic North Pole, because this is all happening on the path of our magnetic North Pole. There has to be some connection between those. Yeah, now we are again so much in the future, but still, it's continuing to be cold in Siberia. Here are parts which are really hot. Near Kamchatka. But central Siberia, or whatever this area is called, is really cold. And it just doesn't stop the stream from the north, so it stays like that. Really interesting. And that's a huge area. Whole Russia is cold. Oh, how funny. Well, anyway, Europeans can enjoy probably some warmth soon. Summer will be in maybe in Europe. Yeah, with bad weather. Yeah, there are many places, I guess, cloudy at the moment in Europe. Maybe even rain and lightning and these kinds of things. And tomorrow, we have yet another storm system entering. Let's see how this one will affect eastern Finland. Probably not that much like the other one didn't either. Because, I guess, of the surface conductivity anomaly. They just somehow dissipate the clouds which come here. It's really interesting to follow that. Let's put 12 hours. Let it think for a second. Yeah, there's already the next approaching, and here in the southern part we have really much lightning. I mean, in the southern part of the system, in the northern part of Europe, Central Europe, North and Central Europe. That's a screen video I took yesterday evening, as this was approaching, because it was really interesting to follow. It didn't do much here. A little bit of rain, but that's it. Yeah, but I leave it here. Yeah, maybe I'll do another video once then. Thanks. Bye.